Alright y'all, so today I'm going to show you a way to multiply your strawberry plants. Strawberry plants produce a lateral side growth which is called runners. These runners have new growth along its vines every few inches. And as you can see, there's little roots starting to grow from the bottom of these runners. So I went to my local Home Depot and I picked up these garden stakes. I'm going to use these garden stakes to hold the plants down in the ground so that way the little roots that y'all seen starting to develop will have contact with my soil, and in 1 to 2 weeks I'm hoping to get this runner fully rooted in my soil. After about 1 to 2 weeks you can remove the garden staples, and one way I like to test to see if my runner's rooted is just to give them a slight tug, and if there's any resistance, that's a good sign that your runners have rooted. Now keep in mind, these runners, aka your new strawberry plants, have little to no roots. So you want to be very careful that you don't overwater them. Also, you want to be careful that you don't underwater them. So here's a little pro tip. When your soil's dry, it's usually going to be a light brown color. When you go to water it, you'll see that the soil is going to turn a dark brown because it's retaining water. What I would do is wait for that dark brown spot, which is the water, to go completely light brown again before you water. This will help minimize your chances of overwatering and underwatering. So when this next runner gets a little bit longer, I want to root it in this blank spot in a separate strawberry container. Now these runners can be fragile, so make sure you don't press down on them too hard because you don't want to snap them off. When I'm positioning my runners, I'm kind of visualizing where and how each plant is going to grow. So it's kind of cool how these runners kind of vine out so you can adjust the placement on each one of your plants. So you can kind of make it custom to how you want. So I'll give you an update in a few weeks, show y'all whether or not these runners rooted or not. I'm going to go light on the watering, and in about a week, I'm going to get them some microbes to help enhance root growth, and we'll go from there. Alright y'all, appreciate y'all for watching. I'll get back with y'all.